Welcome to the Really Black Cooking Show. I am your host, Chef C, and today, episode 1, I'm going to show y'all how I make sloppy joes and fresh cut fries. Let's get it. All right, so first, I'm going to start out with the potatoes. All right, so usually I like my potatoes bigger, but these, I got the smaller ones. I like my French fries BBW. Ain't that what Drake said? Yeah, so I usually like getting bigger potatoes. But I'm gonna make it shake with these. All right. So here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna boom, cut them, cut it, then boom, cut it one more time. See, this is what I'm talking about. I like them thick like this. You know what I'm saying? I like them thick like this, and then you just put them in some water. I got some water over here. Bow, water. All right. Now after you get them all cut up. Of course, you want to dry them off. Can't have them all wet. You want to dry them off nice. Get them ready for seasoning. Now, for my seasoning, I ain't go to the store, so I ain't really got much, But today I'm going to use this Creole seasoning. Okay, I ain't got seasoning sauce, so I'm going to use Creole seasoning and see how this work out. And when it comes to seasoning, us black folks, we don't really use measurement utensils and all that. We go based off how we feel. We let the ancestors guide the hand. You know what I'm saying? That's how we do it. Mix that on up, put a little bit more up in there. Yeah. See, you'll know when it's seasoned enough when you taste it and your blood pressure go up. See, that's how you know it's good. That's how you know it's seasoned enough. Also, I want to say Happy Black History Month to all my brothers and sisters out there. You know what I'm saying? Boom. Seasoned fries. All right, next you want to get your grease ready. It need to be hot. I'm talking hot like the time you caught your man cheating, and instead of fighting him because he's going to whoop your ass, you decide to throw some hot grease in his face. Hot like that. Hot like that. You want to hear a sizzle. Yeah. You want to hear a sizzle. All right, next, now you want to get your meat going. All right, see, we use turkey meat in this house. We don't really eat red meat. So turkey meat, you really got to make sure you season it, because if you don't, it's gonna be dry, probably like your lips are right now. Okay, so you gotta make sure it's seasoned. And I don't know about some people. I know some people, like, they making sloppy joes. They treat the sloppy joe like that's the seasoning. That's not the seasoning. That's a meat sauce, right? That's a meat sauce. You don't want to. You still have to season the meat. So again, I ain't got that much seasoning. So we gonna go back in with this Creole seasoning. We're gonna go back in with that Creole seasoning again. Make sure it's enough. Get that blood pressure going. Then we're gonna do garlic powder. Just like that. Then we're gonna do black pepper. Just like that. All right, so once the meat cooked down, now we're gonna add in the sloppy joe mix. All right, then you wanna come over here, check on the fries. Make sure they ain't overcooking. All right, now see the sloppy joes is done. Now what you want to do, you want to just let it sit for a minute so it can thicken up. Let it sit so it can thicken for about 5-10 minutes. Now these fries is done too. Go ahead and take these out. Let these rest. Then next we're gonna prepare the sandwich. All right, now I'm ready to assemble my sandwich. Go ahead and take some of that sloppy joe. Blah-dow. Blah-dow. One more, wait. Blah-dow, just like that. Now usually I would use American cheese, but I just got off work and I didn't feel like going to the store, so I'm gonna try this with Swiss cheese for the first time. I hope it's good. And I got my Swiss cheese thinly sliced. You know what I'm saying? Slice it thin. Come on now, get out there. Come on. Get on. All right. Bow, just like that. Now, also, I don't toast my bread. I know it's not my thing. So we're gonna come here. Bow. Then what we're gonna do, we're gonna put it in the microwave. Melt the cheese a little bit. All right, we got the cheese melted. Then we're gonna come over here with the fries. Fries on there. Just like that. Uh-huh. Now, I don't eat my fries naked. You know what I'm saying? I gotta have some type of sauce. So today I'm gonna do the ranch dressing. Just like that. Go ahead, shake that up. Uh-huh. Get that in here like that. Bam. And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. I appreciate y'all checking out the video. If you enjoy the content, please be sure to subscribe. I have to eat again tomorrow, so I'll be back with more content. And if you want, you know, so you can leave a suggestion in the comments about what you want me to make next. All right, but go easy on me. I know I call myself Chef C, but that's just for the video. I ain't, you know, I ain't cooking all like that. If you want to leave a suggestion, make it easy. Take it easy on your boy. All right, I'll see you in the next video. Peace.